Okay guys, and we're doing fireworks in my backyard. What the? Oh my, OMG! Dad, you're one of those things that shoot in the air.
We're all done.
But you were all down
one.
with it?
Finale.
Finale!
There's one more. Back up.
Dad, can we do it just like a little bit longer?
We're out of fireworks.
Okay.
Except like firecrackers and bottle rockets.
I want to do firecrackers.
Your mom's already mad at me about.
Please, Dad. I was just talking to her. Dad, let's go. Go with firecrackers. Go with firecrackers.
All those are gone?
Do it for the people that's probably gonna watch. That's probably not gonna watch this video. Just do one more cracker.
All right, firecrackers and then that's it.
Okay. Okay, Dad.
Okay.
I get it.
We got tons of firecrackers.
I'm doing one video. Get that guy. Oh, look at that! Wow! Oh my God, that hit me! Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. And I'll see you next time.